Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a window in Pygame. Pygame is a Python based module in which you can make games. So I am using Visual Studio Code for the code editor. This is my code editor, Visual Studio Code. So if you want a video for downloading Visual Studio Code on Python, please mention in the comments. So the first thing that we need to do to make this thing work is to import the Pygame. So let's type import Pygame and press enter. So it will import Pygame. Now we need to initialize Pygame. So type pygame.init and open and close bracket. So this will initialize the Pygame. So now we need two variables to score the screen width and height. So creating a variable in Pygame is pretty much simple. So first we need to declare the variable name and type equal to, and we need to give the value. Don't make any space while typing the variable names. So I will name this screen underscore width. It will be 500. Now I will create screen height 2. So just copy and paste it and change this to height, and the height will be 600. So now we need to display the screen. So we need a name for the screen. So I will name it screen and put equal to, then type the script pygame dot display dot set underscore mode, then put open and close brackets and put one more inside it and type in the screen width comma, make sure to put a space here. Okay, so this will create a screen. So let's run this script and check. The screen is vanishing after some time. We need the screen to stay it forever. So we need to create a while loop. So press enter and make a new variable called run. It's a bool. Make it true when the game starts. Okay, now press enter and while run. While run means while the variable is true. For event in pygame dot event dot get open and close brackets, put a column, if event dot type equal to pygame dot quit should be capital, then put a column, and then we should make run to false. So this will make the screen stay forever. So let's run it. Okay, the screen is staying forever, and if you press this thing, it closes. So this is how we make a screen in Pygame.